Hey there, welcome back. Today we have the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus. And in this video, I'll guide you through how to fix the slow performance problem on your device. Follow all the steps carefully to boost your device speed and smoothness. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications. Now let's begin.